लुक, इफ you're really obsessed with your voice, like really really वाला, like तुम हमेशा से ट्राई कर रहे हो अपनी वॉइस को डीप करने का और वो वॉइस डीप हो ही नहीं रही है. It's like you are 18 like me, like I'm 18 and I have a voice that literally just slams you through your camera and speaks in your ear कि I have a deep voice and you need to follow me. Look, मैं इस जगह पे आ रखा हूँ और यहाँ पे लिटरली इतनी शांति है, हवा के अलावा मुझे कुछ भी नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. यहाँ पे एक पर्सन की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही जबकि उस साइड पे बहुत लोग ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. ये जगह पूरी तरीके से आइसोलेटेड फील करवा रही है मुझे. मैंने अपना माइक भी अभी तक अटैच नहीं कर रखा है एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मेरी जो आवाज़ है तुम्हें डायरेक्टली फ़ोन से क्लियर एंड क्रिस्टल सुनाई दे रही है जस्ट बिकॉज माई वॉइस इज़ डीप. नाउ इफ़ समबडी एल्स वॉज टॉकिंग हेयर, बिलीव मी और नॉट, तुम्हें वॉइस इतनी ज़्यादा क्रिस्टल क्लियर सुनाई नहीं दे रही होती. Why is that? Because I have a deep voice, and that is something that you need. That is something that you want. So instead of trying to, frame me or manipulate कि ये बंदा अपनी वॉइस फेक कर रहा है या ये बंदा अपनी वॉइस मैनिपुलेट कर रहा है या किसी तरीके का वॉइस इन्हांसर यूज़ कर रहा है, why not just listen to me? Why not just listen to what I'm trying to tell you, what I'm trying to teach you कि तुम्हारी वॉइस कैसे डीप हो सकती है. Look, I have a deep voice. That is something you want. That is simple, right? You want a deep voice. You are a man and you want a deep voice because every man wants that. You have seen game characters. You have seen Kratos. You have seen Thanos. You have seen Darkseid. You have seen Megatron. A lot of people जिनकी voice इतनी deep है that they are just considered man. Like consider Megatron. Consider Thanos. Thanos is an alien, and he is just considered the biggest or one of the greatest man in all of the timeline, right? Why? Why is that? Imagine Thanos sounded like Star Lord, like he sounded like Star Lord, right? Would you actually care about what he has to say? I mean, of course, he killed half the population of the universe. You would care about it, but would you take him that seriously? There would be more puns about Thanos than it is now. Now, to have a deep voice, just listen to me and force your testosterone, literally force your testosterone to increase. And how you can do that? There are three principles that I'm going to tell you that will actually focus you, that will actually help you to focus yourself on testosterone. I realize कि तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं होगा, तुम स्कूल जाते हो, तुम्हारी स्लीप फक्ड अप है, तुम्हारे पास एक्सरसाइज करने का टाइम नहीं है, तुम किसी एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग दैट, डोंट वॉच दिस वीडियो, ट्रस्ट मी. Just stop watching this video and leave this video because if you do not have time to increase your test, I'm just going to keep that part. If you do not have time to actually if you do not have time to invest yourself in increasing your testosterone, then you should just leave this video. The first step is sprinting. Sprinting is one of the biggest, one of the greatest source of testosterone. Why is that? Because it increases your testosterone up to 700 fucking percent. Research this shit. Believe me not, believe me or not, this shit works. Increasing your sprinting amount, increasing your explosiveness, increasing your overall power. Why, why sprinting is considered so much like an elite level exercise? That is because it actually triggers your primal desires. What is your primal desire? To survive. When you sprint with your all force, like तुम्हारी सारी body एक तरीके से exert हो रही है उस sprinting process में. It's like a predator chasing you, and that is what we have been doing since our primal days. We have been getting chased by predators since our primal days, and that is something that you should be focused on. Look, this is something that I did. This is something that helped me a lot. This is something that increased my muscle mass a lot, right? It may not seem big enough for you, like I'm not some jack dude all the way long, but I have a lot of muscle mass that was not there before. That helped me. Sprinting actually helped me. It cut off all of my body fat and it actually helped me to gain a lot of muscle mass and most probably deepen my voice. Second thing is doubling up your egg. Eggs are one of the greatest source of protein you can ever have. Like eggs are the complete source of protein. उसमें जो जो चीज़ें होती है, जो जो चीज़ें तुम्हारी हेल्प करेंगी, dude, it is great. Like just focus on it. There was a study जिसमें eggs जो थे, उसको एक बंदे ने 24 eggs खाए थे हर एक दिन 30 दिनों के लिए, राइट? उसका टेस्टोस्टेरोन 79% इंक्रीज हुआ. 79% इज व्हाट भाई? लिटरली तुम्हें चेंजेस दिखेंगे तुम्हारी बॉडी में. दैट इज द पावर ऑफ एग्स. आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू इंक्रीज माई एग, लाइक एग क्या बोलते हैं उसको, यूजेज, और नहीं यूजेज नहीं, इनटेक, एग इनटेक फॉर लाइक अ वाइल नाउ. सो अभी मैं दिन के 4 अंडे डेली खा रहा हूँ, बॉइल्ड एग्स, ऊपर से मेरा जो प्रोटीन सोर्स तो चलता ही रहता है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू कंज्यूम अ लॉट ऑफ एग्स, राइट? मेरे को एग्स अच्छे से लाइक मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता है एग्स को प्रिपेयर करने का, सो आई जस्ट ईट इट आउटसाइड. And outside they make it boil, so it is kind of expensive for me right now. but if you can afford it, just eat a lot of eggs in a day. Like if possible, make your whole source of protein the eggs. So yeah, eggs हो गए. उसके बाद जो तीसरी चीज़ आती है, that is sleep. Just follow one damn rule. Don't eat before you sleep, at least before 3 to 2 hours. That is good. I eat 4 boiled eggs 3 hours before sleeping, and that has helped my sleep a lot. Like I sleep like a baby. I sleep automatically without an alarm. I just put this eye mask around my eyes so that मेरे आंखों पे रोशनी नहीं चढ़े, right? So that is something that you can copy. Like just copy me, right? Just do this, and that is going to help you a lot. And the last thing is, what could be? Just having an active lifestyle in sunlight. Like I'm here in the mountains. Like I'm literally in the mountains. Like this is this huge ass mountain, and there's this pond. I don't know why it is here, but I'm here, and there are a lot of people that are trekking there. Like I'm just here recording videos, right? This is something that you should experience. I just came here by myself. I just recorded. I just decided that I would go to that usual spot that I record on, but I just changed my mind and came here to record. Follow that. Just be focused on living an active lifestyle whilst you are in your sunlight. Not your sunlight, but if it's yours, I don't know. That is a belonging. So yeah, just copy me. But if you want some exercises, some split that you can follow, then I have this paid split going on. Just message me on Instagram.